there was a failed second entry short here. Look, first entry, second entry, it failed. I entered here actually too late. But if this thing will move, I want to be here. So I just booked now 12 points. And let's see. I entered late. I was just far from my machine. I saw it. I said, okay, maybe it will move. So I placed my initial stop here. It was like 5 or 6 points. If this thing want to move, I want to be inside. Actually, when I arrived, it was like this. So I saw the failure here. And then I entered here. Don't trade the news if you're not willing to take the hit. Just don't. Stay with your winners. I will move my stop here. So I'm booking 14. Looking good. Okay, nevertheless, I will stay with this. Just want to show you how to trail it. I will trail it here. Why I thought I took a chance. I saw the strong move here. I saw the failure. Actually, I was late. But okay. So now I booked 20 points. And I will still move it further. Move my stop here. Just trail and trail and trail till they take you out. I didn't have the time, Yoav. You know, it was not my plan to take this trade. I didn't have the time to use the big account. So now I'm booking 22 points. Now I'm 30 points in the money. I'm not going to bail unless they will take me out. Yeah, I said, okay, I saw the failure here. I said, okay, the market wants to move up. And I was willing to take the trade. Let's see if I can stay with this trade. There must be something bigger boiling here, but it doesn't really matter. There is a trend here, guys. I'm just trying to show you how to manage your trade, not get panicked. Yeah, I will move it here. Give it some room, 4 points, 5 points. There's a tiny little box here. It's a very strong trend, very strong volume. But I don't want to give back too much. So I saw the failure. Actually, the entry was a bit late, but I said, okay, 5 points, it's okay, because if this thing will fly, I want to be in. So I'm not going to let them go too much against me. Looks like this is the key entry point. If the market is strong, they will break the high here. Nice trade. And as I tell you guys, if you're not willing to take the hit, stay out of the kitchen. Don't trade the news. If you're willing to take the hit, if you are betting on this to move, 32 points, nice. My stop is in good location. I will try to squeeze as much as I can. Come on guys, 10 more points. All you need is one good trade. Learn to squeeze it when you are in a winning position. Learn to control your emotions. Of course, I'm up like, what, $8,000? I will not allow them to shake me off. My stop is in the right place, that's it. Don't let them scare you off. Scares you off? How? Yes, can I say something like this? Scares you off? Yeah. I will trail it here. Now I'm booking 32 points. No, there is no entry now. It's either you took the chance betting on a 5-6 points, or you are out of this. The failure was just, look at the signal bar. It was just, I mean, I saw the failure here. I saw this bar. I said, okay, I'm a bit late, but I want to participate in this thing. So I risked like 6 points, but yeah, it looks good. I will not allow it more than this. So this will be 33 points. Not too shabby. Key enter point again. Let's see if it can hold.
Stop filled.
Okay, 33 points. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. There is a channel working against you here, guys. Just squeeze it when you are correct. That's the whole idea. Thank you. Just squeeze it. So let me show you what I saw. Okay, so I saw this. And then I saw this. That's very typical, like a V top, V bottom. And then I saw this second entry. See that one? And then I saw the failure here. And actually, I was a bit late. I said, okay, I'm not going to miss this party. So I entered here. And the rest is history. Yeah. So when you are right, just make sure that you are squeezing every single dollar they give you, because you see, guys, that's not a typical trade. Of course it's not. That's extremely fast, super strong. But when you are right, just ride it. There will be a second entry long here. It's not a bad setup the way it sets up here. Just the signal bar, at least here, is red. I don't know what you guys have. Let's measure the movie. Maybe we can enter again. Oh, look at this. Ha! Look at this. Just don't enter here, guys. This is too crazy again, and relax here.